In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam Invite to Party. First, launch the Steam client and sign into your account so the social features are available. Once you're in, open your friends list. You can do this from the top menu by selecting Friends, or by clicking the Friends chat button in the corner of the client. That panel is your hub for all friend requests, chat, and invites. If you're using a brand new account and don't see the option to send invites, don't worry, Steam requires a small purchase, usually at least $5, to unlock full friend features. If invites are disabled, take a moment to check your account status and your store purchase history to confirm you've met that requirement. Back in Friends or Friends chat, choose Add a Friend. This opens the Add Friend page, where you have two easy ways to connect. First, you'll see your personal friend code. Copy that code and share it with the person you want to add. If they've sent you their 8-digit code, paste it into the Enter a Friend code box and click the Invite button to send a request. Second, you can use your personal invite link on the same page. Copy that link and send it through chat, email, or any social app you prefer. When the other person opens the link and accepts, both of your accounts are added to each other's friends lists automatically. With the friendship set, start or join the game you want to play. If the game uses lobbies or parties, create one or enter an existing lobby so you can send out invites. Many games show whether your session is open to friends, so set that the way you like. To invite, open your friends list or the in-game overlay and right-click the friend you want to play with. Choose the option your game provides, such as Invite to Game, Invite to Lobby, or a similar party invite button. If the option is grayed out, make sure you're actually in a lobby or game mode that supports invites, and that your online status is set to online. If a friend invites you instead, just accept the Steam pop-up, or open your friends list and click Join Game or Join Party next to their name. Steam will hand you off to the game and connect you to their session. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.